The Xbox Adaptive Controller is an interface into which you can plug compatible joysticks and buttons to create bespoke accessible controllers for playing on Xbox One and Windows 10. In this video we will be looking at the UltraStik 360 joystick, which is an analog arcade joystick by Ultramark. This joystick is then mounted into a suitable case either by a supplier or as a DIY project. The two different types of UltraStik we use ourselves and reference in this video are sourced from One Switch and QuadStik. Both work in the same way and can be used for the same actions with the Xbox Adaptive Controller. To get the UltraStik working for the left analog stick, we plug it into the USB port on the left of the adaptive controller marked L. The One Switch housing has a flat base and we use Velcro to mount it. Here we are using it to steer the car left and right in Forza 7. We are using buddy button accessibility switches also plugged into the adaptive controller for accelerate and brake controls. Here we are using the UltraStik to control the left stick whilst playing Unravel 2. We are using the QuadStik UltraStik for this game. The QuadStik base has holes for fixed mounting. At special effect we pad out the base to give us a flatter base and we use Velcro to mount it. The joystick moves the character on screen and we are using spec switches and buddy buttons for the button controls. To play a game which requires two joysticks, we are adding a second UltraStik into the right joystick USB port on the adaptive controller. When using both ports, you will need to power the adaptive controller using the charge cable. Here we are playing Sea of Thieves. The left UltraStik controls movement and the right UltraStik controls aiming and looking. If we work with someone who may be unable to use two joysticks, we will often use a walk forwards button for suitable games. This big green button is a switch which has been programmed to act as the up direction on the joystick. On the Xbox Adaptive Controller, this is the default function for the X1 slot. Another option we make use of for two-stick games is using a chin joystick alongside a larger hand joystick. The UltraStik can be used for one stick and a second joystick on a standard controller can be used, for instance with the chin using Copilot settings. This allows you to use an adaptive controller with one or two other controllers to play as one player in-game. This enables you to share controls with another player, like Jack is in this clip, and play cooperatively.